Let's see how to create a new folder on Windows 11. In the File Explorer, there are 3 ways to create a new folder. The simplest is by a shortcut, and that's by pressing and holding Ctrl, Shift, and N. You can then name this folder, and either press Enter or click anywhere to confirm. The second way is by pressing the New button here at the top left, then clicking on Folder. The third is by right-clicking to bring up the context menu, then click on New, and then Folder. You can also create a new folder in the command prompt. Type md, then space, then followed by the name of the folder you want. And that's how to create a new folder on Windows 11. See you soon.